Macmillan Audio presents Robots. Explore the world of robotics and AI by Dr. Henny Admoni. Read for you by Daniel Henning. Welcome to the future. Have you ever wondered what robots are made of? Are you curious about how robots think? Or what tasks they're capable of doing? If so, you've come to the right place. In this book, we'll talk all about how scientists build and use robots. First, we'll cover some robot history and ideas about what robots are. Then, we'll talk about robot brains and the role of artificial intelligence in how robots see and communicate with the world around them. Next, we'll talk about what robot bodies are made of and the variety of ways in which robots can move and act. Once we understand robot brains and bodies, we'll dig into different ways that robots can be used, from underwater exploration to helping astronauts in space. Finally, we'll talk about robots' roles in society and how they might make the world a better place to live in. My name is Dr. Henny Admoni, and I'm a professor of robotics. It's the best job. But I didn't always know much about robots, and I've learned a lot to get here. I hope this book teaches you something new and inspires you to learn even more about robots too. Happy listening. Dr. Henny Admoni. A history of robots. People have been dreaming about robots for a long time. The earliest robots were mechanical devices that moved using fluid or air because electricity hadn't been invented yet. For much of history, robots were not intelligent. They could only follow a very simple set of instructions. Today's robots are far more advanced and can use artificial intelligence, AI, to perform all sorts of amazing tasks. 400 BCE. Early robots. Thousands of years ago, inventors began to dream up machines that can move using steam and weights. In ancient Greece, Archytas of Tarentum is said to create a wooden robot pigeon that can fly. Large robot statues stand in temples and speak to worshippers, creating a sense of awe. 50 CE. Extraordinary puppets. A Greek man called Hero of Alexandria writes a book detailing designs for early versions of robots. His inventions include a puppet theater play that runs for nearly 10 minutes using an intricate system of ropes, pulleys, and levers. 1770. Chess master? A chess-playing robot called the Mechanical Turk is built in Europe. It appears to be an excellent chess player, and its owners take it on tour to show it off. But it is a trick. A person hiding in the base of the device actually controls the robot's movements. It will take another 200 years for AI to truly beat humans at chess. 1921. Robot play. The word robot appears for the first time in a play called RUR, which stands for Razum's Universal Robots, written by Karel Čapek. It comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. In the play, the robots are factory slaves that revolt and overthrow the humans. 1927. The big screen. Metropolis is the first film to feature a character that is called a robot. The black and white silent film is set in a dystopian future where life is hard for many workers. A robot in the shape of a young woman called Maria
Sample complete. Ready to continue?